Hi, good day to all. Myself Masarpita, faculty of Button But Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear kids, for your chapter, okay, we have done with the general knowledge as well as English intelligent. Now we are in the final stage to complete your syllabus. Now we'll be writing the mock test series, isn't it? Now so far we have completed with the test series, so now we'll move on to the mock test series. Now when coming to your mock Sainik exam, you will be having session called general knowledge. You will be having general knowledge, isn't it? You will be having a section called general knowledge. It consists of both, that is social. It consists of both, that is social and then science. They may be asked 12 questions from science, or 13 questions from science, or 13 questions from social, and then 12 questions. So there are totally 25 questions. Each carries 2 marks. Therefore, it is totally for 15 marks. Okay, it is for 15 marks, where you need to solve this general knowledge as well as science. You have to thorough with your general knowledge thing. Like you have to read your history, and then the present going on, what is going on, and the current affairs, who is president, who is minister, related to Indian Parliament, sports, news. You have to, if I teach 100 questions also, you will get 101st question in the exam itself. To read this, to solve this, you have to read your newspaper, magazines, and any knowledge books, and your previous, you have to thoroughly know who is present and past. Okay, like that. Okay, let us try. Let us in this session. So far, you have written the mock test. Let us give the solution for that. 51st question. Look at the question. Out of the list, Paramveer Chakra, that is PVC. What is meant by PVC? It is not polyvinyl chloride. You will think like it is polyvinyl chloride. No, it is PVC is nothing but Paramveer Chakra. Awardness who was awarded with a PVC during Kargil War. So see, this is from history. You have during Kargil War who was awarded. So who is awarded? See, Lal, Captain, but see, Bargozi Thakur, no, Thakur, no, and then Arun Kip, no, and then Captain Vikram Batra. Okay, Captain Vikram Batra awarded the PVC during the Kargil War. Okay, during the Kargil War. Uh, Paramveer Chakra was the award which was given to the person called Captain. Therefore, which one is the option? Therefore, option C is your answer. The next question, which state among the following adopted Sanskrit is the official language? Okay, see, among the following, which state is adopted Sanskrit as your official language? For example, Karnataka, the official language is Kannada. Like Tamil Nadu, the official language is Tamil, Telugu, Andhra Pradesh, Telugu. Like that, which one? Sanskrit is official language of which one? It is Himachal Pradesh? No. Rajasthan, Hindi? No here. So it is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a place which has been selected a Sanskrit as a official language. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your answer. That is what I have said. To solve this session, that is social as well as science, you have to thorough with your current affairs, history, and all. Okay, the next question, who is the current vice president of India? Who is the current? Narendra Modi? No. Is the prime minister? Venkatana Arjun Jetli? No. And then Sri Ramnath Kovind? No. But who is the correct answer? Sri Venkaya Naidu. Current president of India is Sri Venkaya Naidu. Therefore, so see, this is what you have to see the news every day. Okay, you have to see the news and you have to read the question paper like that. Therefore, option B is your answer. The next question, a medical practitioner specializing children and their diseases. Okay, see, a medical practitioner specializing in children in their diseases. Okay, Geologist knows study about the earth. Pedestrian, yes, he is a person, a practitioner specializing in children and diseases. Cardiologist about the heart, neurologist about the brain. So therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your answer. Okay, the pediatrician is a person who medically specializing children's and their diseases. Therefore, option B is your answer. Look at the next question. The 56th question, a group of stars will call it as. What will called a group of stars? A group of stars will call it as. Any idea? Yes, group of stars will call it as. Yes, constellation, solar system, which is consists of the 9 planets, okay, and then so planets also, comets is like a star. So the group of stars, they are asking the group of stars will call it as constellation. So this is the chapter under the universe. You have to know which planet is for, which planet is near, how many planets, and then what are the advantage and disadvantages of those planets. Okay, therefore, which one is the answer? Option A is your answer. The next question, which gas when solidified is commonly known as dry gas. See, when it is solidified, okay, when we keep something into solid, when it is solidified, which gas is known as the dry ice? So it is carbon dioxide. What is the carbon dioxide? That is CO2. Carbon dioxide is a gas. When you keep it in the solid ice, it is called as dry ice. It will be like, for example, any gases which will be keep as a dry, it will dry and it will be like a ice. Then we'll call it as a the gas will call it as carbon dioxide. So this we have to know this one. Okay, what is that? What is the gases and what are the importance of those gases? Okay, the next question. The member of Rajya Sabha can have maximum tenure how long? See, the person who is selected for Rajya Sabha, how many years he may continue his journey, or how many tenure is nothing but how many days you have to rule that. So Rajya Sabha, he have to rule how many 5 years is for Lok Sabha? 7 years, no, 2 years. Therefore, which one? It is 6 years. So this chapter is from which lesson? This chapter is from the chapter. This question is from the chapter called Constitution. This chapter is from the called Constitution. Okay, where you have to study who is a president, what is the houses, upper house, lower house, and then which consists of how many members, how many seats it is consists of, and vice president, and then who select the Rajya Sabha member, like that. You have to thoroughly know that. Next one, 58th question. B. Gopi Chand associated with a sport. See, Gopi Chand, hope you all remember. Hope you all will see the sports. Gopi Chand is a famous, which one? Cricket player? No. Football? No, it is badminton. Gopi Chand is a person who is famous for his badminton under the which one game? Badminton. He got many prizes to it. He's an Indian. Okay, he has got many prizes and medals to India. Gopi Chand is one of the famous Indian person for the badminton is famous. So therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option A is your answer. That is what I have said. Not only your history, not only about your current affairs, you have to know everything. You have to know each and everything to solve this particular session. The next question, look at the next question. See, next question, any of the following company does not have set mobiles. Okay, see, look at this option. Any of the company does not set. See, we have not learned anything in this. Okay, we have not learned anything. Who had manufactured mobile? Who have not? Yes. Hope you all now generation kids used everything. Apple, yes. iPhone 12, iPhone 11. BSNL, yes. BSNL mobiles. Sony, yes. HP. HP is for laptops. HP is the production of laptop. HP phone, have you ever heard? No. So Apple, BSNL, Sony is and all the company which manufactures the mobile where HP is not. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer. Understood now? The next question. A vehicle capable of traveling over land, water is called. See, a vehicle. Okay. See, where when we go to Coorg, Goa, the sky drives. Can you see? There will be one rope and we will be over there. Like that, a vehicle traveling over the land, water. Okay. We will call it as overcraft. Okay. The vehicle that is like a vehicle that can be over the traveling over the land and water, then we'll call it as overcraft. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option A is your answer. Okay. And the next question, look at the next question. See, the space program of government India look forward. Okay, the space project in India. Which one? The space project in India is looked for. Which the space? Have you any about our space project of India? It is all under ISRO. Yes, very good. It is all under ISRO. Indian space project is all under the ISRO project. Very good. The next one, the motto of the Indian Navy is. What is the motto? For example, what is the motto of our button tutorial? The success for achievers. Like that, every institution, what is your motto of your school? Like that, everything will be having some motto. What is the motto of the Indian Navy? The Indian Navy is Sarvottama Suraksha? No. Sham no Varna. Okay, Sham no Varna is the motto of our Indian Navy. What is the motto of our Indian Navy? It is Sham no Varna. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your answer. Understood now? Yes. The next question. See, the next question is, which is the largest gland of human body? Yes, we have salivary gland and then we have many glands in our human body. Which is the most largest gland? Salivary gland is like this, lungs, liver, so much. So which one? Yes, that is lungs is the most largest gland, okay, in the human body. Lungs is the most largest gland in the human body when compared to salivary, liver, and then stomach. Lungs is the most. Which one? Lungs, salivary gland, liver, and then stomach. Which one is the answer? Yes, will gland, salivary gland? No. Lungs? No. So liver is the most largest human body. The human largest gland in the human body. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer when compared to salivary gland, lungs, stomach. Liver is the largest gland of the human body. Okay, the next question. Look at the next question. The next question is 64th question. See, who has written Sare Jahan Se Hacha Hindusita? Who written that? Okay, who written that? Ravindranath Tagore? No, is written the national anthem, that is Jana Gana Mana. And then Bankim Chandra Chatterjee? No, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Vande Mat. And then it is very good. It is Muhammad Iqbal. Okay, Muhammad Iqbal written Sare Jahan Se Hacha patriotic song by Muhammad Iqbal. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer. The next question, which is the deepest ocean? Yes, which is the deepest ocean? Indian Ocean. It is not the largest ocean, it is deepest ocean. Keep in mind, you have to see the difference between the question deepest and the largest. Which is the deepest ocean? Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and in Pacific Ocean. Which is the answer? Yes, see, when compared to others, Pacific Ocean is the largest, deepest ocean in the world. Okay, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean when compared to all those oceans. Okay, therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option D is your answer. Understood now? Yes, we'll move on to the next one now. Next question. Look at the next question now. Who fixes the salary allowance to the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Yes, we have learned the Constitution chapter. This question is from which chapter? This question is from the chapter called Constitution. We have learned that Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, who select the Lok Sabha member, and then who select the Rajya Sabha. Yes, who fixes allowances and salary? Who fixes the salary for your Lok Sabha members? So Lok Sabha members salary is fixed by council ministers? No. President? No. So it is Parliament. Okay, Parliament fixes the salary of your Lok Sabha members. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer. The next question: which article of the Constitution provide Indian citizen to right to equality? Yes. We have 6 fundamental rights. Okay, right to equality, right to freedom, right to education, right to cultural education, exploitation. Yes, we have 6. Okay, in this, every rights will be under some article. Right to equality come under which article? So it is 12. No, it is come under 14th article. Right to equality come under 14th article. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option D is your answer. Understood? So to solve this, you have to thorough with your history and then articles. See, so general knowledge, the session is about all about your general things. Okay, the teacher, if they teach how many things or how many topics you'll get, the more than that. Okay, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1024 kilobyte. Okay, kilobyte is equal to 8 bits. No. And then 1 gigabyte, 1 megabytes. No. See, a 1024 kilobytes is equals to 1 megabyte. Keep in mind, 1024 kilobyte is equals to 1 megabyte. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your answer. The next one, Hirakud Dam is built under the river of which one? Hirakud is built under the river Kaveri. It is in Karnataka. Mahanadi, all in Karnataka, all in Indian rivers itself. Hirakud Dam project, Bakranangal Dam project. Okay, these are all called as dam project. Now the question is, Hirakud Dam project is built over which river? Kaveri? No. Krishna? No. Satluj? No. It is built over Mahanadi river. Hirakud Dam is built in the Mahanadi river. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your answer. Understood now? Yes. Very good. The next question is deficiency of iodine. Okay, deficiency of iodine causes. See, malaria, mosquitoes, scurvy, vitamin C, and then no. So goiter is under the throat. Okay, it's like bubble like under the throat. So deficiency of iodine causes the disease called as goiter. Therefore, option A is your answer. The next question: who is called as Iron Man of India? Who is called as Iron Man? Is Jawaharlal Nehru? No. And then father of nation, Subhash Chandra Bose? No. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or Sardar Patel, one and the same. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, will call it as Iron Man of India. Therefore, which one? Option C is your answer. Okay, Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose are not called as Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and then is also called as Sardar Patel. Okay, the next question: which among is not a Indian sport? Okay, see here: Kho, Kabaddi, hockey, and then rugby. Which one is the answer? Yes, Kabaddi will play in India, Karnataka itself. Kho, yes, hockey, Dhyan Chand. So which one? Rugby. Rugby is not a Indian game. So which one is the answer? Therefore, it is Option D is your answer. Okay, the next question. Look at the next question. The person who studies that we used to past of the peoples are. See, the person who is to study past of the people. So we'll call it as, see, biologist about the biologist, geologist about the earth, doctor. Archaeologist is a person who study about the past, whether about the history or about the coins or maybe about the some events like that. Archaeologist is a person who study about the past of the people. Therefore, option B is your answer. Which one is the answer? Option B is your answer. Okay. The next question. Look at the next question, 74th question. That is, what is the ratio of the width of the length of your national flag? Okay, see, you have to choose the width of your national flag. What is the width of your national flag? Any idea about this? This is called as general thing. So the 4.5, it is too long, and 1.4, it is too small. It is 2.3. The width of your Indian national flag is 2.3. Therefore, which one is the option? Option B is your answer. The width of and ratio of the width of our national Indian flag. Okay, tricolor flag, that is saffron, white, and then green. Okay, the width of this colors is nothing but, the overall flag is nothing but it is 2.3. The last question, where is Wagh border located? So the Wagh border is located in which one? Longwala, Rajasthan? No. Fort of Kankaj, Gujarat? Manipur? No. It is in Amritsar, Punjab. It is in which one? Amritsar, Punjab. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option D is your answer. Understood, guys? This is about your discussion of your, that is, general knowledge session. Students, one point, listen to me. Yes, in the general knowledge session, you will be getting combining of both science and social. Isn't it? You will be getting both science and then social. To solve this easily, what we have to study, especially science. We are all from, now you are in 6th standard, you may know that carbon dioxide and then plants and everything. Little knowledge about science. When compared to social session, lesson, you have to thorough with the history and then current affairs. You have to about the current affairs, and then many of them the general knowledge about sports. Okay, sports, and then what is the going on issue. If you thorough with this much, this is enough. How to thorough it? Ma'am, we don't know. So read the newspaper so that you will be getting the current affairs, and then see some histories. Okay, you have read history, go through history once, and then correct, and then you have learned constitution, go through the constitution and dot. See, if it is anything also, you will get more than that question itself. That is about your general knowledge. Why this session is given for you is nothing but to check the knowledge of the students. Nowadays, the children are your bookworms, isn't it? So it is not should be happen. To check the knowledge, they have given this session. So you have to read the magazines, newspaper, and then you have to keep on what your thing, you have to know the current affairs, what is going on now. Okay, like that. You have to read the newspapers, magazine, any history books. Okay, it is easy to solve. Okay, hope you all understood. That is what I have said. Getting into your dream school is not so easy. See, you may quiz. You can attend any quiz. My wish is to Google. You will get many quizzes. You can attend that. So it is not like playing. If you attend that, you will get an idea. So one day you will find it. It's the thing you can remember that. Go through the quizzes. Okay, like that. If you read this much, it is enough. The day first I have telling, getting into a dream school is not so easy. The question paper is too tough. Yes, I agree. Why the question paper is too tough? To boost up your energy. The first day you will cry, Mom, I didn't score. Mama, I didn't score. Yes, cry it, and the next day you will be preparing a lot. If you score good marks, it is easy, next test we can do it, you will neglect that. So to boost up your energy, we have given the mock test, you have to practice it and do it. Okay, hope you all understood the session. If you have any doubt, you can message to this number, and the video will be uploaded in the button but tutorials and YouTube too. You can go through that. If you have any doubt, you can contact to the number or you can mail to the number. With this, I'll end my session. Thank you for attending the session, guys. Thank you all. Bye bye.